What up? Yeah, jump in, Whittigam. What's up, Noah Turner? Josh Oliver, g'day. Joseph Whittigam, the usual suspects. Rich and Rachel, you out there? Crazy night so far. OCRP's crashing a lot. Not sure what's going on. I think maybe they're the host is getting some DDoS. So I've got one eye on that at the same time. What's up, Fearless? Man, I haven't seen you in a while. Where you been? We were just talking about you. All right. My main goal tonight is to show you what we've been working on this week, which is pretty much one thing right now. We're not getting DDoSed. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we've been working the trains pretty hard. Hey, well, thank you, Noah. I appreciate that. We work hard at it. I have a team here that I could not do all of this without them. They definitely help me make them better. We get in and beat on them and try to make them work or break them and fix them. And lots of people throw around suggestions while we're in playing with them, and so things get implemented, and it just makes everything better. Fearless, I'm sorry to hear. I know how that goes. I hope it works out for you. All right, one of the things that happened this week, hey Robert, is okay. I found some old GTA train station add-on that was for GTA single player, I think, and it had several train stations around the state that. Sorry, I've got one eye on the server thing going on at the same time. It had several train stations, and they were just made out of basically props that are in the game. They sort of built them out of things, and it's been around since, I think it was 2018, something like that. Been around for a long time. And so I pulled it in, and...
Yes, indeed.
Thank you, Noah, for the subscription. I pulled it in, and it was basically a menu editor. Files, an XML file full of props and stuff that menu editor uses, and so I actually wrote a thing that would parse it and put all the props in the game where they're supposed to be. And it was kind of cool, to have these stations, and each one was a little different. And, well, it turns out you can only spawn so many props, and after a while, nothing spawns anymore. So we thought, well, we'll just make a Y map out of it and throw it in. And because of some, I don't know if you guys know anything about quaternions. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but has to do with rotation in 3D space. Robotics uses it a lot. And so these had some of that built into it. I'd never messed with that before. And it does weird things to the rotation. And so we never could get the Y maps to really line up right and look good. So got Henry, it's Friday night. Got Henry in the background. So then all of a sudden Whittigal says, hey, we should just not use those and maybe build our own. And so he starts building one downtown, and it looked really good, And I thought, well, there wasn't one in this other set in Sandy, and everybody wants one in Sandy Shores. Who wants a train stop. So I built a Sandy Shores train stop. Well, there's Whittigal now. And here's the Amtrak train. But this is the Sandy Shores train station.
Can't wait to see the Squeezers play. Gonna be a good game for sure.
These benches just attract locals that come sit on them. And what's fantastic is over on this side, there's more train station. Sorry, I still got the thing going, server stuff going here. One second.
Thanks for hooking me up. Oh, that's the truth.
Okay. So yeah, and at night, all these lights work, so it's lit up. And this is my train I spawned it in. So here we'll go nighttime, so you can see it at night.
Come to my barbecue tomorrow.
And I don't know if I'll add more to it or not. I kind of like this one the way it is. It's not fancy, but not totally run down either.
Get on that. I didn't forget. Don't
So let me tell you some changes that we've made on the train script. I'll hop in here. We have removed the horn and replaced it with our own custom horn. So it's super loud. You can open the doors using the number pad. So there, I've opened the doors for him and he can get on. And when he gets on, I get paid. He pays $75 and whoever's driving the train gets the $75. So here, everybody wants jobs. You can drive a passenger train and make money for people that get on. All right, so sometimes those gates go down really late for some reason. I don't know. I've got the derail set on true, so I can't go any faster than this, or it might derail. Oh, Noah, yeah, that's coming. We figured something out. It just has to be implemented on all the money scripts. Yeah, there's a MariaDB problem because the CFX, the 5M stuff runs on a pretty old version of .NET. The only MySQL connectors that run in .NET will not connect to current versions of MariaDB. I don't know what the deal is, but the database rejects something in it, and you can't connect. So we've been working on a fix. It's more of a hack. But we did get the character manager working. That's kind of been our test case because it uses database stuff. So we got that working with a current version of MariaDB. So we do have a solution that's going to work. We just have to implement it into everything. It's more of a pain for me than anything because I have to put all the code together. But it is coming. So I'm sorry that it happened that way. It's just has to do with the older versions of stuff that 5M hasn't updated in a long time. So I don't even know if they could. It would break so much stuff. I don't I don't know which train stations we have in. There will be one somewhere up here. I'm not sure where just yet, but there'll be a train station here. I don't think we've decided. Oh, that's right. Yeah. Way to go. Just remind me I need to honk the horn when we're in the tunnel because I'm not using NUI for the sounds. These are actual, we created in-game sounds that are custom. So it can take advantage of the 3D sound that uses the game. So next tunnel. I should have turned off the derail so I could go faster. So Whittigle is your the 225 one there? Rich, what's up, man? Are you home or are you on the road? No, I didn't take it out. It's so loud. Is there another tunnel soon? I should probably get out of this train and go spawn one closer to it. It's taking forever. Yeah, you can drive this in first person too. Bad trim, Joseph? What are you trying to say, bud? It's that's an actual horn that I took. There's going to be a station here. No, you can't make the trains not look janky backing up. It's because they don't sync going backwards, other than about like once a second, so it jumps. You just can't do it. I mean, we've thought about it, but it would be super. I mean, all those people that come to me and complain about their stupid Resmon, that would be a hit. Trying to sync it going backwards. And just so everybody knows, I gripe about people talking about Resmon all the time because it's an inconsistent way of measuring that's relative to the hardware that everything's running on, both server and client. So it's not a reliable source of measurement. And when people come in and say, this needs to run under 0.1, well, okay, 0.1 on whose machine? How are we going to test that? So I gripe about it because it's a terrible way to measure, but we do everything we can to try to make these scripts as efficient as possible. Doing anything in FiveM takes CPU. Doing anything cool takes more CPU. So it's going to take some CPU to do stuff. It's just going to happen. But we do test for performance and try to make sure that it's running well and not tearing up everybody's server. Just so everybody knows. That's right. And if your server cannot take a 1/10 of a millisecond hit from a script, then you've got a crappy server and you need to upgrade it. Here comes the tunnel. It's got a Doppler effect, so if you move the camera, it sounds freaky. Alright, we're coming up. Wait, hit the brakes. I don't know where this station is. Did we pass it? Oh no, it's up here a little further. I'm assuming where the lights are. And our goal with these is to make each one different. And so they kind of match where it is that they're going to be. So here's one. Probably should have opened the doors so he could get out.
No, I mean you. You know who's gay?
So these are nice. Oops. I got too close to the drain and I accidentally got on. There I am at the back of that car. So this is what we're working on. There'll be one in Paleto. There's another one here downtown. There's one in Sandy. And I don't know. I don't know that we've decided where they're all going to go. So let's delete this train. Why did my train not delete? Wow. I can't get back in it either. What happened? It's the stream curse. It is. I think it... There it goes. That was weird. Way to go. I'm going to go to the Metro at 139. Buy a ticket, man. My problem with all the train stations, they have all these poles in the way. Now, with these, you can open either side. Like I can open the left or the right, although they're freaking out for some reason. There they go. Or you can open both sides. And he can get in. And when he gets in, because I'm driving it, I get the $25 from the train ticket. So you can also drive a Metro train and you get paid if people get on. So how's that? Another job. I'm also working on a way to get paid from the freight trains where there'll be stops around the map that you stop and drop off freight. Imaginary freight. Yeah, the Metro has a new horn too. I did change the text because I hate the help text. It's not my favorite. So I added that text up in the corner. Looks a little better. Open the doors and people can get on and off. So I think it's fun. Anyway, so this is trains. Oh, wait. No, we have the other one to show too. Okay. We need to, I guess, go to Sandy and spawn in the freight train with the new car on it that we haven't tested. We'll be testing live.
Oh, yeah.
I just got it from the developer today. All right. It's train 14. Yeah, you can spawn it by index now, too, if you know what they are. Oh. It's supposed to set that to 0. All right. This should have our new special car back here. It's this one. You see it has a fire in it. A bunch of hay bales. And when you climb into it, it's not working. Of course not. Like I said, we haven't tested this one yet. Yeah, it's really cool when it works, because you there are 5 or 6 places to sit in there. Oh, maybe that's why. Try it again. Is that better? Okay. Sometimes when you restart the script, well, with people in the server, it bugs out when you spawn the first train. Yeah, it's not. It's not watching for some reason. I don't know. It's not letting us get in it.
Doesn't seem to be.
I don't know why that is. We haven't. This is a brand new car. We haven't tested it yet, and I'm looking at it. It should be. Got the right offsets. Yeah, I don't know. It's probably going to take a little debug, but that's a bummer because there's lots of cool places to sit, and it looks cool. Two of the places are right here in the door. They'll sit right on the edge as it's driving down the track. And then around on those hay bales around that fire. So you can have hobo RP on the train, which I think is pretty darn cool. Yeah, I'm looking at the code. I'm not sure why it's... I don't know, something happened to the car. I don't know. Gonna have to play with it. But anyway, it'll be fun. Well, I'll be showing that next week, I guess. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Normally you get right here in the door, right? As soon as you get right here, it pops you into a seat. So I don't know why it's not. Car's mean. Yeah, I think I've got all of the textures and the liveries and all the boxcars built to where I'm happy with them and I like them. There's enough of them so it spawns a variety and the train looks good. Ouch, that looked like it hurt. Oh, yes, Joseph, thank you. Did somebody say ETA? Yeah, you could no clip in there, but you'll fall through the floor or get tossed up on the roof. Mission trains are real funky. Like for us to get passenger trains working, we had to really work at it because once you set up a mission train, it doesn't act right. We could spawn the passenger car by itself, just sitting somewhere, and we can get in it and walk around, but as soon as you turn it onto a mission train, it freaks out. So, I don't know. Is LEO close? That's what it was. Yeah, I mean we've been spending a lot of time on trains because I dumped the custom version because everybody was breaking it, and so that doesn't exist anymore. And I was trying to get this one out the door as quick as possible, just so people will have their custom trains. And this one, since overhauled trains is pretty efficient, and it comes with the lore liveries on it, and I'm providing real life liveries if somebody wants them, or you can do your own. I think I have decided to do away with the Vanilla Trains version as well. So this will be the only version of Trains that's left that you will be able to purchase once this comes out. So just know that. If you want to buy the Vanilla Trains, buy it now. It will not get updated after this one comes out. It'll be as it is for the rest of the world's life. Anyway, something new that's going to be revolutionary is the Object Spawner update. And if you don't know what the Object Spawner is, you can just spawn objects into the game and use them. So, like if I wanted to spawn to the world, that's the W. Oh, I forgot, the menu's broken. There's a menu of stuff that you can add things to, but what's even better, let me pick an object here. For instance, I can say spawn to the world and then give it a model, and you can now spawn anything you want, and you can move it slow, or you can move it, let's see, faster, or you can move it really slow. So if you're trying to get it into place, or if you hit page down, it'll set it on the ground wherever it is. And now whenever I place it, it'll automatically keep it. Like if you wanted to place a whole list of them, it'll just bring it up again. You can hit delete and close it so you only place one. But so the controls to spawn things are so much nicer now. Yeah, you can actually buy a ticket from that I just spawned in. Because the trains are that good. So the object spawner, and go ahead and clear that. So I've put that there. Go ahead and clear that. And he can come in and clear that thing out now. So if I die or I go too far away,
Yes, indeed.
then somebody else can come and clear items out. Thanks, man, for the subscription. I don't know how to pronounce that name. It's a bunch of symbols on my screen, but thank you. And I'll show you this. I'll spawn this in here. Okay, and then I'm going to go... Be right back. I'm going to go way out of 1 sync range. This is sort of an experiment. It's supposed to work. If I can find where I was. Where is my chart? There it is. Now hopefully I still own this and I can delete it. Ta-da! I did not get bit by the stream curse on that one. Yeah, if you have the vanilla trains or the Kitsune custom trains, those will continue to work. I'm not going to disable them or anything. They're just not going to get updated anymore. And I get the question a lot, are people going to be able to switch to the new trains? The answer is yes. There will be a period whenever it comes out that you can switch licenses at no cost. The new trains is going to cost a little more just because there's so much more in it. But you'll be able to swap it over at no cost for a period of time. So pay attention to when that gets released. We'll announce it on the Discord, and you'll have a chance to upgrade for free. What else, Joseph? What are we doing? I mean, we still have the Leo menu. We'll go set it to midnight. We're all in love with this flashlight. We love playing with this thing. There is no speedometer for the train other than the text, so if we disable the text, there wouldn't be anything. Do you have a speedometer for the train? I don't think the regular one works. I don't think I can get back in this train now. Yeah, that is a problem with the drivable trains, that if you move too far away, you lose connection with the train. And which is weird. I'm not sure I understand why that is, because it shouldn't. It logs all these in a table and it knows you're the driver, so I probably need to connect some code somewhere. But if the train doesn't have a driver, a timer starts, and after 10 minutes this train gets deleted, so you don't have abandoned trains. So what are you asking where to go? What did that say? Was the hobo car not working because you weren't driving? I don't know what that means. Did it just work for you? It's still not working. I think that fire awfully dangerous with that hay there. No, I don't think so. Anyway, that's the big stuff to show. Anybody got any questions real quick? Yeah, I guess the conductor can get out and search the car for hobos. Beat them with a nightstick. Yeah, there's all kinds of hobo RP that could happen. Yeah, I don't think I can delete this train either. Nope. Yeah, I need to look at that. It shouldn't lose connection like that. So after 10 minutes it should get deleted, which I haven't actually tested yet. Joseph was gonna. I honestly don't know. I don't know if I've restarted this since I put the new boxcar in. I don't remember. You know you're standing in a bush, right? I think so. I don't know. We have a thing that helps us safely hot start scripts. Oh, it's not going to work because of the Y maps. Yeah, totally going to crash. I forgot about that. If there are Y maps, it does not work. But anyway. I don't. I'd have to look, Cookie Brew. I don't know if the speedometer shows on the train or not. It might. I don't know. I will look at it and I will see. But the text is more accurate than the... Oh, you know what? The speedometer is there. Oh, okay. I'm going to go back in because Joseph is in. It does show. I remember now because it kind of jumps. The speed jumps back and forth a little bit on the speedometer. So... I'm trying to come back in, but it's there it goes. Taking a minute.
Man, I suck at this game.
I meant to throw the object spotter on OCRP tonight, and I did not get it on there. It's probably good since the menu's not working. I seem to be stuck. Well, I've restarted it, although I did not refresh, so I don't think the boxcar's been loaded in. Oh yeah, it is. So there I am sitting in the boxcar. So I am in the boxcar.
Honestly, if you could say that to someone.
Hey, you're leaving him. Get in. You can have a passenger. I can't remember how he got in, but all right, there's another seat. Yeah, he's in now. How cool is that? What is that? Who's shining a flashlight? I don't know if I can shove. Oh, I'm on the other side now. Chef again. Now I have no idea what I'm doing now. I can't change my view for some reason. Oh, yeah, that happens sometimes. Has to do with that mission train thing. I can't get back in now because the train's moving. Why can I not get back in? Like I said, we have to tweak some things. Oh, and that, kids, is why you don't get on a train on a bridge. That there's painful. That was pretty funny.
Yeah, me neither. You guys been to skateboards?
I saw.
All right. That's all I've got. I am going to go do the OCRP stream, which considerably fewer of you people come watch than this thing. So oh, we did update LSD and stuff. Or we could just be dead. All right, folks. I will catch you next week. Later.
That was sick. Wait, on my screen you kind of did